Alright, this is my digital diagnostics display for the Locomotive. It's by Adam Nugent Rosenberg. I produced this firmware around April 2022. Alright, shows the logic charts like compressor fails, leak edge, gasket, tighten hose, air leakage faults, and how to do the maintenance on these. Triple engine overspeed fails, traction motor temperature, traction motor gauge, temperature lead, switch, alarm. These show the configuration systems and where they go to, like low oil pressure, low water pressure, and LED alarms, cold engine and load engine. And then we have two engine diagnostics, so remember everything is done twice. This shows air compressor, and these show the tiny schematics. Well, as in your engine overheating, you might have the coolant level fault, or a radiator grill fan, clogged radiator fan, power belts, thermostat, fault 4 and 5. Engine overspeed, and then faults, and it shows these in the electrical schematics. For your traction motor, we have 4 bogey traction motor temperature protection. And then it shows not only four motors, but also the 6 motor bogey traction motor. And then we get into from the power drawings, the tiny circuit drawings. We've wrote an error code execute, which saves as auto error execute, and then the error code batches for all the next ones. We'll have things like air compressor fails to pump, engine overspeed, overheat, hot door, low oil pressure, no battery, low oil pressure shutdown, low water flow, side door open, traction motor temp. And it shows the configuration of the parts, configuration systems, and it says create configuration system directory, and then this is all the configurations of all the codes. Then once again we have a fault bin, which comes out pretty nicely. It shows stamps and dates of time for your conductor's real report. You print this at the end of the day, and you can clear the screen whenever. This shows error code for a fails to pump. Show the compressor operational at 275 to 296 cubic feet. Pilot lights are on and off. If the failure is less, then the pilot light will come on and an alarm will come on, and then it will log that into the error fault bin with a time and date. Low coolant levels, same thing. Radiator pressure, thermostat configuration, water cranking. Water temperature value may be 170 degrees Fahrenheit, less than 175 degrees Fahrenheit, or ignore. And it shows the thermostat 178.50, thermostat motor 1 configuration. It shows water pumping, system alarms set off, and system temperature switches and alarms. And then there's several other ones like this: radiator pressure, motor flog, diesel engine overspeed. Hot diodes. Hot diodes would be values greater than 300 degrees Celsius. Just a nice quick little wrap up. It shows the oil pressure monitor drops less than 50 psi on the oil pressure. Battery charging configuration, so lead values less than 72 volts. So you know your locomotive is at 72 volts, and shows the batch reset. So if you want low oil pressure, you might want to do a diesel motor oil pump configuration reset, and shut down oil pressure. And then it shows the diesel motor oil pump configuration reset, no, yes or no, and shut down with warning low oil pressure shutdown codes. And that's just about it. That is the digital diagnostics plate for the locomotive, mostly the engine. We'll call that the engines. Alright.